Every single year, Toyota owners across America watch their beloved vehicles slowly succumb to something that could have been completely prevented. I'm talking about rust, the silent killer that destroys more Toyotas than accidents, floods, and engine failures combined. While most drivers think rust is just part of owning a car, the top 1% of Toyota owners know better. They've cracked the code on keeping their vehicles rust-free for decades, and today I'm going to share their exact playbook with you. Here's what most people don't realize: that 2015 Camry sitting in your driveway right now could easily run for another 15 years without a single rust spot if you follow the right steps. But skip these critical practices, and you'll be staring at thousands of dollars in bodywork repairs or watching your Toyota's trade-in value plummet faster than you can say corrosion. The difference between a Toyota that lasts forever and one that ends up in a scrapyard isn't luck or genetics, it's knowledge. And that's exactly what I'm about to give you. The elite Toyota owners I've studied don't just change their oil and call it good. They understand that rust prevention is a system, a carefully orchestrated approach that starts the moment they drive off the lot and continues for the life of the vehicle. These aren't wealthy collectors spending thousands on fancy treatments. These are regular people who've learned how to outsmart rust using simple, affordable methods anyone can do. If you're serious about keeping your Toyota running strong and looking great for years to come, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I see every comment, so drop your Toyota's year, model, and mileage below. I want to know what you're driving and how long you plan to keep it. Number 1. They treat new Toyotas like they're already under attack. Most people assume their shiny new Toyota comes with bulletproof rust protection straight from the factory. That's a dangerous assumption. Toyota does apply corrosion protection during manufacturing, but it's designed to get your car through the warranty period, not the next 2 decades. The smartest Toyota owners know aftermarket rust protection isn't optional, it's essential. Within the first few months of ownership, they're getting professional undercoating applied. And I'm not talking about the overpriced dealer treatment that costs $800 and barely does anything. I mean going to a reputable shop that specializes in rust prevention and getting proper protection while the car is still pristine. For brand new Toyotas, permanent undercoating makes sense because there's no existing rust to trap underneath. But if your vehicle already has some miles on it, don't worry. There are still highly effective options we'll cover later that can stop corrosion and prevent new formation. Number 2. They never ignore what's happening underneath. While most people focus on the paint, elite Toyota owners know the real battle happens where you can't see it. The undercarriage takes a beating from salt, moisture, and debris every single day. During winter months, that corrosive brine mix gets flung into every crevice, starting the rust process instantly. The difference makers wash their undercarriages religiously. Not the soft rinse at the corner car wash, but serious cleaning with high-pressure equipment designed to blast away salt before it can do harm. Many invest in undercarriage pressure washers that deliver focused streams at 4,000 psi, the kind of cleaning that removes caked-on buildup standard washes miss. And it's not just a winter thing. If you live near the coast, that salt air is constantly attacking metal. Regular undercarriage cleaning becomes critical in those environments too. Number 3. They understand Toyota's hidden drainage system. Your car has small drainage holes in the sunroof, door frames, and around the gas tank, designed to channel water away from metal cavities. But over time, dirt and debris clog these passages. When water can't escape, it pools in hidden areas and starts the corrosion process from within. By the time you notice rust, it's already too late. That's why top Toyota owners clear these drains twice a year. It's simple. A piece of weed trimmer line or a paper clip is enough to make sure every drain flows freely. 10 minutes of maintenance can prevent thousands in bodywork repairs. Number 4. They swear by lanolin-based protection. When permanent undercoating isn't an option because the car already has some age, the smart money goes to lanolin products like fluid film or surface shield. Derived from natural wool grease, lanolin creates a moisture-repelling barrier that actually seeps into seams and displaces existing water, instead of trapping it like hard coatings can. Every bolt, frame rail, and hidden corner gets attention. The pros clean, dry, and then apply the treatment carefully. The result? A nearly invisible shield that protects for years. If this is helping you think differently about protecting your Toyota, take a second to hit that subscribe button. More rust-stopping secrets are coming next that most owners have never even heard of. Number 5. They keep their Toyotas cool and dry, not warm and cozy. Most people believe cold weather causes rust. In reality, it's the opposite. Corrosion accelerates with heat, doubling in speed for every 18-degree temperature increase. That means your heated garage might actually be your Toyota's worst enemy. Here's why. When you bring a salt-covered car into a warm garage, the ice melts, spreading salt into places it couldn't reach while frozen. The warm, humid air then turbocharges the rusting process. Smart Toyota owners know better. They either keep their vehicles in cool, dry, well-ventilated storage, or if they must use a heated garage, they wash the undercarriage first and use fans or dehumidifiers to circulate dry air. Number 6. They understand that rubber mats can quietly destroy your floor pans. Those all-weather mats most people trust to protect their interior, they're often doing the exact opposite. Salt and moisture trapped under those mats soak into the carpet and sit directly against the metal floor. Over time, that hidden moisture starts eating away from the inside out. Top owners remove their mats periodically to let everything dry completely, especially during winter. It's such a simple step, but it's the difference between a spotless interior and a floor pan that needs welding. Rust doesn't wait, and neither should you. Take these habits seriously and your Toyota will thank you for decades to come. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next part. We're diving into the hidden maintenance routines that stop rust before it ever starts. The elite Toyota owners have figured out the solution. Every time they come home from a wet drive, especially during winter months, they pull those mats out and let everything dry properly. They might use a fan to speed up the process, but they never let moisture sit trapped under rubber mats. It takes 30 seconds but prevents thousands in floor pan repairs. Number 7. They've mastered the art of early rust detection and immediate intervention. According to automotive experts, 70% of drivers are at risk for costly rust repairs, but most never see it coming because they don't know what to look for. The smartest Toyota owners have trained themselves to identify 3 distinct stages of corrosion. Surface rust shows up first, that light orange or brown discoloration on bare metal. This is your golden opportunity. Clean it immediately, sand down to clean metal, and apply a rust-inhibiting primer. The fix costs $20 and saves thousands in bodywork later. Scale rust is the next level, when rough, flaky patches start bubbling the paint. At this stage, professional help is needed, but it's still manageable if caught early. The third type, penetrating rust, is when corrosion eats through the metal entirely. That's when repairs become expensive, often requiring new panels. Every time these Toyota experts wash their vehicles, they inspect everything. Paint chips, rock dings, door edges, trunk seams, nothing gets ignored. When they find a chip, they clean it and seal it. When they spot surface rust, they use a rust converter before painting. They know rust doesn't sleep, so neither do they. Number 8. They're strategic about where they park. Location might sound trivial, but it's one of the biggest factors in long-term corrosion resistance. Parking in direct sunlight all summer? Those UV rays degrade paint and clear coat, leaving metal vulnerable. Parking on grass or gravel? That's even worse. Moisture evaporating from the ground keeps your Toyota's undercarriage constantly damp. The perfect environment for rust. The best Toyota owners choose covered parking with airflow. A carport beats an enclosed, humid garage every time because it blocks UV rays and rain while still allowing moisture to escape. And when outdoor parking is the only option, they always choose pavement or concrete over dirt or grass. Number 9. They take road salt seriously, especially the modern kind. Since 2012, most states have switched from basic rock salt to a chemical brine that's stickier, more corrosive, and far more destructive. This desing brine doesn't just coat your undercarriage, it seeps into seams, joints, and bolt threads where it keeps eating away for weeks. The top Toyota owners don't just rinse it off. They neutralize it using specialized salt removal products that break down the chemical structure of the brine itself. These neutralizers use surfactants and active agents that deactivate salt before it can react with metal. Combined with a high-pressure wash, it's the only method that truly protects against modern road treatments. This is especially important in northern states where brine gets slung into every nook of your Toyota's frame. Regular water alone can't neutralize its effects, but these products can. Now, before we move on, take 2 seconds to hit that like button if you've learned something new so far. I see every comment and I want to hear what kind of climate your Toyota's up against: salt, humidity, or coastal air, because each one has its own battle plan. Number 10. They never forget the hidden rust zone, the battery tray. Over time, small leaks from aging batteries release sulfuric acid that quietly eats through paint and metal under the hood. Once corrosion starts there, it spreads fast and can cause electrical issues, grounding failures, or even mounting failures. Smart Toyota owners inspect this area every time they pop the hood. They look for white or green buildup around the terminals and clean it with a baking soda solution. Then they lift the battery to inspect the tray beneath for any paint damage or corrosion spots. A quick touch-up and some dielectric grease on the terminals keeps everything clean and rust-free. You wouldn't believe how many electrical nightmares start right there, all because people never look under the battery. Number 11. They stick with proven classics, Carnauba wax. With all the hype around ceramic coatings, most people forget that traditional Carnauba wax still creates one of the best moisture barriers ever developed. When applied regularly, it makes water bead and roll off instantly, preventing contamination and oxidation. Wax also shields your Toyota's paint from UV rays, acid rain, and even bird droppings, all of which slowly eat away at your clear coat and expose bare metal. Elite Toyota owners wax their cars religiously every 3 to 6 months, not for shine, but for preservation. It's low cost, low effort, and high return. One of the easiest habits you can develop to extend your Toyota's life. Number 12. They use a secret weapon most car owners have never heard of: cathodic protection. It's the same technology that keeps massive steel ships from rusting even after decades in salt water. Here's how it works. Rust happens when metal loses electrons to water and oxygen. Cathodic protection reverses that process by giving the metal a constant supply of electrons, making corrosion chemically impossible. Top Toyota owners install small sacrificial anodes or electronic rust modules that do the same thing on a smaller scale. These anodes corrode instead of your Toyota's body panels, protecting the car's structure year after year. Rust never stops fighting, and neither do the smartest Toyota owners. We're breaking down the final steps that bring all of this together, including one simple ritual that can literally double your Toyota's lifespan. Stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Now, you've probably seen those so-called electronic rust inhibitors online that claim to send electric currents through your car to prevent corrosion. The truth? They don't work for vehicles because cars aren't constantly submerged in an electrolyte like ships are in seawater. But here's the fascinating part. The same principle behind cathodic protection is exactly why modern Toyotas use galvanized steel with zinc coatings. Those zinc layers sacrifice themselves to protect the underlying metal. If you own a classic Toyota or you're restoring an older model, galvanizing the chassis is the ultimate solution. For everyone else, simply understanding the science behind this helps you make smarter choices about what actually works and what's just marketing hype. Number 13. The most overlooked habit that ties everything together: annual rust inspections. This is where the elite Toyota owners separate themselves from the rest. They don't wait for rust to appear, they go looking for it. Once a year, they get their Toyota up on a lift and inspect every inch of the undercarriage. Bright lights, small tools, and sharp eyes. They check the frame rails, floor pans, suspension mounts, and wheel wells. All the hidden places where moisture likes to hide. They're searching for 3 things: bubbling or flaking paint under door frames, surface discoloration on metal components, and any soft spots when gently probed with a screwdriver. Those are the early warning signs. Catch them now and the fix costs pocket change. Ignore them and you'll be paying body shop rates that rival a car payment. These owners act fast. Surface rust gets treated immediately with a converter and sealed. Weak spots get reinforced or coated. And anything serious is handled by a professional before it spreads. That's how they stay years ahead of everyone else. They don't stop there either. The pros inspect inside door frames, behind trim pieces, around window seals, exhaust hangers, brake and fuel lines, everywhere corrosion loves to start. And they document everything: photos, notes, mileage, and even product brands used. Over time, they build a personal rust prevention logbook, proof of consistency that also boosts resale value. The results are undeniable. While average Toyota owners start seeing corrosion within 5 to 7 years, these methodical owners keep their vehicles clean and solid for 15, 20, even 25 years. Their Toyotas don't just run longer, they look like they did the day they drove off the lot. And here's the part most people miss. These owners aren't spending huge amounts of money. They're just spending it smart. Instead of reacting to rust once it's too late, they invest small amounts consistently in prevention. A few inspections a year, a can of rust inhibitor, and the discipline to stay on schedule. Most of them spend less than $300 a year protecting their vehicles. Compare that to a $5,000 body repair or the loss of trade-in value, and the math speaks for itself. Prevention isn't just cheaper than repair, it's exponentially smarter. But here's what truly sets these Toyota owners apart: their mindset. They don't treat rust prevention as optional, they treat it like oil changes, non-negotiable maintenance. Rust never takes a day off, so neither do they. And that's the secret. Most people hope their car won't rust. The smart ones make sure it doesn't. These 13 strategies aren't complicated, and they don't require expensive products. They're proven habits used by Toyota owners who've kept their vehicles beautiful and functional for decades. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Every small action adds up to decades of reliability, durability, and pride of ownership. If you found these rust prevention secrets valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more Toyota maintenance wisdom that'll save you serious money. I see every comment, so let me know what year and model you're driving, and how long you plan to keep it. Remember, your Toyota was engineered to last. The only question is, will you protect it like the 1% do? Start applying these habits today, and 20 years from now, you'll still be behind the wheel of a Toyota that looks and drives like new.